Hi everyone, I'm Kyle with Montel Construction, where we transform residential homes with expert exterior remodeling. If you're thinking about replacing your roof, you may have noticed a growing trend: metal roofing. Once mainly used for barns and industrial buildings, metal roofs are now a top choice for modern residential homes. But why? Well, in this video, I'll explain 4 reasons why metal roofing is vastly becoming a popular choice for residential homeowners. Now, one of the biggest reasons for metal roofing's rise in popularity is its incredible durability. While traditional asphalt shingles last about 20 to 25 years, a metal roof can last 40, 50, or even 70 years with minimal maintenance. They are built to withstand the toughest weather conditions like heavy rain, strong winds, hail, even fire. And that means fewer repairs, fewer replacements, and a greater peace of mind. The second reason many are persuaded to metal roofing is energy efficiency. Unlike asphalt shingles that absorb heat, metal roofs can help reflect the sun's rays and help keep your home cool in those hot summer months, and can even lower your cooling costs by 10 to 25%. Another reason homeowners are making the switch: sustainability. Many metal roofs are made from recycled materials and can be recycled again at the end of their lifespan. And lastly, the aesthetic appeal of metal roofing is quickly growing in popularity. With a wide variety of color options, metal options, styles, and panel profiles, it's easy to customize your home just to your taste. And if you're thinking about resale value, a metal roof can increase your home's worth by up to 6%, making it a smart investment for the future. With its strength, energy savings, and stylish designs, it's no surprise that metal roofing is becoming a top choice for homeowners everywhere. So if you're considering a roof upgrade, maybe it's time to go metal. So remember, 4 reasons to consider a metal roof in the future: durability, energy efficiency, sustainability, and its aesthetic appeal. We hope you found the information helpful. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe to our channel for more tips on exterior home improvements. And remember, from roofing to decking, we've got you covered. We'll see you next time.